Mukund says, value research has helped him enormously in becoming a better informed investor. He wants to know at what frequency does value research review and update the stock recommendations and the best buy list on valueresearchstocks.com.
Well, as far as the best buy list is concerned, it is reviewed by our equity analysts on a weekly frequency, even though there may not be too many changes on a week-on-week basis. But essentially, the idea with best buy is that any changes that happen there, the analysts are guided more by the valuation related triggers and not so much by the underlying fundamental attributes of the companies. Now, as regards the broader list of recommendations, there is no set frequency or a time frame on which those stocks are reviewed. They are always under a constant monitoring and tracking of our analysts. And at any given point in time, if any events or developments happen which compel an analyst to change his opinion on a particular stock, then they come out with an updated guidance as and when such a development happens. So there is no specific predefined frequency to it. Now, coming to the new recommendations that we release, typically our team always maintains a list of stocks that they like and the stocks which are approved for recommendation, but an analyst would like to hold on and wait for the price to be in more of his or her comfort zone. And when that happens, the analyst would be happy to come out with the recommendation. So that's why you would see that there could be a certain stretches of time when we do not come out with any recommendation, and at the same time there could be some other periods of time when we come out with recommendations in quick succession.